How to change password on Instagram if forgotten. If you forgot the password for your Instagram account and you want to change it or reset it, you can simply try to go to the login screen first of all. And over here, you can simply go ahead and then tap on the login option. It will normally ask you to enter your username or anything that is associated with your account. So you can try to just type in the username like this. Or what you can also do over here is, after you've done so, tap on the forgot password button. It will ask you to enter the email or username associated with your account, and then when you tap on next, it will send a verification code to your verification method. Once you've done so, you will then be able to write in a new password without having to remember your old password. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon, as always, in the next video.